Turn off the alarm. John, wake up and turn off the alarm. Get up. Get up. It's time to get up. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make the bed in my bedroom every day. Wash your face. I wash my face every day. Brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth. Brush your hair. My hair is messy. My hair is messy. I need to brush it. I need to brush it. Clip nails. Clip nails. I clipped my brother's nails. I clipped my brother's nails. Put on makeup. Put on makeup. You don't have time to put on makeup. You don't have time to put on makeup. Get dressed. Get dressed. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I usually have breakfast at 7 o'clock. Go to school. The boys go to school in group. The boys go to school in group. Go to work. Go to work. She doesn't go to work on Saturday. Exercise. Diet and exercise are equally important. Diet and exercise are equally important. Do household chores. Do household chores. Spend the day the way normal house chores. Drive to work. Drive to work. Sometimes I drive to work and sometimes I walk. Wait for the bus. I am waiting for the bus go to home. I am waiting for the bus go to home. Take a taxi. Take a taxi. I would rather take a taxi than walk. Work. She's been work hardly all day. She's been working hard all day. Take a break. I think this is good time to take a break. I think is a good time to take a break. Get home. Get home. Once I get home, that's for my family. Once I get home, that's for my family. Leave school. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. Her mother said Mary could only have a snack or fruit. Her mother said Mary could only have a snack of fruit. Do homework. Do homework. Your child always wait until the last minute to do homework. Take out. Take out the garbage. Don't forget to take out the garbage. Water the plants. You only need to water the plants every day. You only need to water the plants every day.